Cars are my passion. They've always been a kind of hobby of mine since I was young. I like to know how things work, and with cars, that's kind of the fun part of it all, is that you can learn how every small thing works. I'm Larsen. I'm from Tucson, Arizona. I'm 22 years old, and I am a software engineer. My dad was always working on his own truck. It's a 1955 Chevy pickup truck. Very used to seeing him in the garage, and that was sort of the norm, was always working on the car. I have two Subarus, a 99 and a 2000 Impreza. I love my car how it was. It was a lot of fun, but it was the base model car. It only had about 150 horsepower. It wasn't super slow, but it was kind of slow. So of course I was looking to get more power. And that's when I researched that engine swaps are super common for these Subarus. I think building is part of the fun. I enjoy it almost as much, or if not more, than driving the car. And then of course my dad, being a car guy himself, he was very excited to help me build my car. That was crazy, because that was an entire summer basically every night and every weekend working on the car and just slowly taking it apart. It was a big deal to have two cars basically stripped down to just shells and then put it back together. And it was just a huge relief when I actually fired for the first time and I could actually drive it. I had never done anything that mechanical on a car. I've never taken apart a car, both inside and out, to such a degree, and then put it back together, and then also have it work at the end. It's a cool thing to say, I know the car completely inside and out because I took it apart inside and out and put it back together, and it runs, is the best part. All my cars are older, so I use Techron high mileage to keep them running longer. I always get Chevron gas because I know it's good gas, and so that's when I first heard about it. At the time, actually last summer, doing the swap, a YouTuber I watch, Tanner Smith, he's a big Subaru guy, and he actually used Techron in his cars. He provided a lot of information how Techron helps not only the performance of the car, but also the fuel economy. And so I knew that once my car was running, I wanted to try it on my own. Techron has become regular maintenance not only for my high-performance car, but also my daily driver and all future cars that will have. It was super easy to use, just tossing in the gas tank before filling up. And once it was in the car, it definitely ran a lot smoother and it was just a lot more fun to drive. I still enjoy driving the car today. It's a blast and it's just a different car from what it was to now.